Hi there. We're here to now do a video of our 1994 Kellenberger 600U. So guys, go right ahead. You can start it up. All right, so we're going to just, here's the wheel head on. And then the first thing we're going to do is just let the table run back and forth for a bit. Okay, so this is without a pick cycle. So this would just have the table going back and forth. You can see that the workhead is revolving. And then we'll now go to a pick cycle. So go ahead, guys. Great. So now we've got the table coming in at the table reversals, and then we can slow down the table if you want, or make it faster.
On feed now.
Great. So we're in fine feed.
Two-spark countdown.
Okay, so we kicked out at the end of 2 spark out passes, as Pete pointed out. So now the next cycle we'll do is a plunge cycle. Okay, there, as you can see, the hand wheel coming in. Now we went to fine. So we made it kind of on the quick side, but you can see that the machine has both the dual rate, first the coarse, then the fine. Now just a couple other points to point out on the machine. You do have the sine bar attachment for the workhead. There is the fine taper adjustment on the tailstock. There is a coolant system that does come with the machine as well. And then what we're going to do now is do a second video just to show you the air swivel for the wheel head, because that's an optional feature on this particular machine.